ready to unbox my Bellicon. Where is the box cutter? Right where it don't need to be. You guys, the Bellicon has been a wish list item, and I really had to do this for myself because I have some goals that I'm trying to hit, some different things that I want to accomplish. But I just wanted to open the Bellicon with you. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And the package, the way they package it, they try to keep it safe and secure. They put these little round knobs. You guys, this is German engineering, so you know. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Oh, ta-da! It's like already ready to go. Wow. I requested the multicolor Bungees, and this is the strength. The strength of these Bungees are strong. I could have gone with medium, but I want to have a more challenging workout, so I went with the strong Bungees. And I just love the colors, like it's just, the rainbow is vibrant. Oh, it's so beautiful. The Bellicon. So I want to get the legs out. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this stuff is strong. So it looks to have instructions on it. You get a free trial, a membership to do the Bellicon foam. These are the legs that are gonna go around the Bellicon. Y'all, this thing is massive, and this is just the basic one. I'm so happy with it already, and I haven't even bounced on it. So let me get these off. Woo! Now, you guys, this is strong. These are made very well. Well made. This is no shabby material. And the Bungees, the way they hook on, it's double hooked. You guys, this is quality. This is a quality rebounder. Quality Bellicon. All right, so these are the legs. I cannot wait to begin practicing my routine. I will definitely have a link in the description box below if you want to look into purchasing one of these. They do have payment plan options. I will be honest and say that you are going to get what you pay for, and these do cost, but the quality is nothing compared to the one that I got from Walmart. Whoa, here they come. So it comes with 3 legs in each. I like to keep stuff like this as well for my son, for if science projects arise or anything. I love to keep stuff like this for him. He probably thinks that I'm just silly, but I think that it comes in handy when he has different things that he has to build and different projects. So I like to keep this kind of stuff. So these again are the legs. And I saw that one of the comparisons was that these legs are tall and you're high off the ground with the Bellicon. I still think that is a good thing because your bounce, once you get adjusted, you'll be just fine. And then it's going to be worth your while. So this is made in Switzerland. Okay, you guys, I'm so overjoyed. I've been eyeing Bellicon for over a year now. So I think I want to put the protectors on it. I'm sure you should. Anyway, so I'm just gonna attach all these onto it. And then screw them on. I'm so excited. I am so ready to bounce. And I love in the packaging, it says, "Happy bouncing." Happy bouncing. You guys, this stuff is quality. These legs are heavy. Okay? Just FYI, they are heavy. They are solid. And it's no joke. Let me see really quickly. And you also can receive a $25 discount just because you use my link and let them know that you want to order. So in the rebounder with screw-in legs, you should find in the box the rebounder frame with mat and bungee cords attached to it, 6 rebounder legs, and a small plastic bag with 6 rubber caps. Open the packages which contain the rebounder legs and put 1 rubber cap on each of the rebounder legs, which I've done. Carefully screw in each of the 6 legs. Be careful to thread them on gently before screwing tightly. So you want to take your time. Take your time, take your time. Take your precious time. This one feels a little off. Okay. So now we're going to attach the legs. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so excited. Now, when you are using a Bellicon, you always want to insert onto your Bellicon from the side or from the back of your Bellicon. So, you guys, oh my gosh. Happy bouncing, happy, happy bouncing. It's on now. Alright guys, so this is the unboxing of my Bellicon, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. This thing has so many amazing health benefits, from mixing up your lymph system, getting it all shaken up and flowing. It helps with posture. It helps with strengthening your bones and joints. So many great benefits. Like, I could go on and on. Nervous system and all of that. So definitely look in the description box below to get the link to check out Bellicon and get more information for your own knowledge and well-being. And until next time, peace, abundance, blessings.